Hello children, hope you and your family safe at your place. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in your new session class 3rd. This is Manmeet ma'am and now I will take your SST classes. Hope you will like it. I'm starting with the very first chapter, that is changes in a family. As you can see the image, okay? So, before knowing how the changes comes in a family, we'll start with a very easy question. Yes, that is, what is family? I hope you all know the answer. Yes, we are the parents, children, and other members living together. That makes a family. Also, you can say family is a group. And what is family member? The people who live with us. Like, for example, the parents, siblings, uncle, aunt, cousins, grandparents, they are called our family member. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about types of family. Here you are able to see the chart. There are many different types of families in the world, but the most famous ones are nuclear family, second one is extended family, third one is single parent family, and the fourth joint family. Now, my next topic is nuclear family. Okay, as I guess so many of you heard about nuclear family and also know about that. Now, children, my next topic is nuclear family. Okay, so what is nuclear family? I guess you have must heard about it. A family in which only parents and their children live, that is called a nuclear family. For example, Mohan lives with his parents and he has one younger sister Rahi. So, Mohan, Rahi, and his parents from a nuclear family. Now, in this slide, you are able to see a family tree of a nuclear family in which only father, mother, and one children. There can be a one or two children belongs to nuclear family. Okay. Children, my next topic is extended family. In some families, you have seen only parents, children, and their grandparents live together. So this family is called an extended family. For example, Neha lives with her parents and grandparents. So Neha, her parents, and her grandparents uh, belongs to which family? Yes, that they belongs from extended family. So children, here you are able to see the chart of extended family in which you are able to see grandmother, grandfather, father, one children and mother. So basically the extended family consists two generation. One generation of their parents and one generation of their grandparents. Okay. My next topic is joint family. So, in some families, you must have seen their parents, children, uncle, aunt, cousins, and their grandparents live together. Such a family is called a joint family. Joint family is also known as a big family. And in joint family, basically, it consists three generation. Three or more generation, and they are more common in a village areas. Here is the chart of a joint family in which you are able to see such a big family in which their grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, siblings, brother, sister lives together. They belongs to actually from a joint family. And one more thing, children, I forgot to tell you, the world's largest family is in India. Yes, in the state of Mizoram, it has about 181 family members who live together. Single parent family. In parent family, some families consist of just one parent, not parents. Just listen carefully, children. In some families consist of just one parent, not parents. either a mother or a father, but not both. Okay, so some families consist of just one parent and the child or children. Such a family is called a single parent family. For example, Mohan lives with his mother and one younger sister. Her name is Sonal. So, Mohan, Sonal, and his mother. That family belongs to which family? Yes, you guys have assumed right. That is single parent family. So, our next topic is changes in a family. Uh, in that, our first topic is a new baby in the family. So, in a family, many changes take place. When a child is born, the size of a family changes. family की जो size है, that means numbers of family increase होती है. The lifestyle of the family members also changes. family की lifestyle changes आती है because new baby के आने से बहुत सारी responsibilities बढ़ जाती है. Okay, and also number of family members बढ़ जाते हैं. एंड फैमिली स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, फैमिली स्ट्रेंथ भी हमारी बढ़ जाती है. 3 से हम 4 हो जाते हैं, 4 से 5 हो जाते हैं. सो दीज आर द चेंजेस व्हेन न्यू बेबी enters in a family. Okay, changes in a family, our second topic is marriage celebration in a family. So the size of family also changes when somebody gets married and a new member added in the family. During the marriage function, everyone is happy and joyous. House is fully decorated with the flower and the light. Lots of guests come to attend the function, and everyone is excited as a new member will be added in the family. So these are also some changes when a marriage celebration is there, especially in our family. Okay. Children, you heard about the family member in family member word in the previous slide. So you also know that family member are also called as your relatives. Okay, so there we can segregate the relatives into two types. First one is maternal relatives, and second one is a paternal relatives. So what is maternal relatives? ऑल मेंबर्स फ्रॉम द मदर साइड. ठीक है, ममा के साइड के जितने भी रिलेटिव्स होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड अ मैटरनल रिलेटिव्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाना, नानी, मामा, मामी, मासी, these comes in a maternal relatives. And what is paternal relatives? all members from the father side. अब फादर के साइड के जितने भी रिलेटिव हैं दे आर कम्स इन अ पैटर्नल रिलेटिव्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दादा, दादी, chacha, chachi, bua, these all are comes in a paternal relative. I hope you guys understand about maternal and paternal relatives. Thank you, children. Hope you have enjoyed your first SST classes. Um Today we have learned about what is family, types of a family, and how the changes comes in a family. Okay, here I'm giving you some assignment related to this chapter. So, and I'm hoping that you can easily do it with the help of this video, and as well as the content which we have provided. So just do it, and till then, stay home, stay healthy, and yes, most important, keep learning.